Hello everyone. Today we'll look how you can get the student developer pack from the GitHub. So when you will go to the Google and write it down the GitHub student developer pack, then you will see something like this. So you have to just click on are you a student? Then you will look something like this. Before that, you should already have a GitHub account. So if you have GitHub account, then you will log in and then you can click here. And as you can see that here I am a student, so I have already take this pack where you will get the latest some tools which will be free for the student. So there should be some qualifying criteria that you have a GitHub account and you will be at least 13-year-old and currently enrolled in a degree or diploma, or also you have to provide the some documentation like your ID card, maybe some fee receipt that GitHub will know that yeah, you are actually enrolled in this program. So before that you should have like check your supported browser, and billing information should also be completed like your name and academic affiliation and documentation. And please make sure that your name should be exactly same in the billing information and the document that you will provide. So you have to then verify your academic email address. Okay, you can look how you can verify your academic email address. Then also you have to enable the two-factor authentication, because if you don't do these kind of things, then maybe your application will be rejected. That I also have applied for it and my application is got rejected. So after that you have to just enter your institute ID here, and then you have to click continue, and you have to submit some kind of information, and after that they will review, and after couple of days, maybe 1 or 2 days, they will let you know that if your application got approved or rejected. If it is rejected, then they will specify what will be the cause. So you have to just uh, complete that thing before and reapply. Okay, so let's look at what are the things that you can get as an student. So as you can see, what will be included in the developer pack. First, the copilot will be free for you. So you can set the copilot in the VS code. So it will work like a AI agent that will help you to write the better quality of code. Okay, and there are a lot of tools which are free and you can go through it. So if you want to learn the some of the things that will improve your skills, so you can use DataCamp, and the front end master is there, educative is there, and some cloud platform like DigitalOcean and Heroku and MongoDB, the database will be here. So you can go through it. AppWrite will be there, and lot of other tools that will be free for you as a student. So you can get these for free. So I have also made a video that how you can set the copilot custom instruction that might help for you to write the better quality of code in your code base. Like if you are creating your front end or back end project, then you can set the custom instructions, so it will help you to write the better quality of code. And if your application got rejected, then you just have to complete these two or three things that like two-factor authentication and GitHub billing information will, like, most likely people don't complete these things. That's why their application got rejected. But once you complete that, then this will not happen to you. Okay, so if you got any kind of error, then please let me know in the comment. Also make sure to subscribe the channel, so maybe in the future I'll show you how you can use some of the tools, like how you can use the app writer, what is the function that it will provide, DB, how to use MongoDB, and how you can like verify from your GitHub and get free access of it. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. I'll attach the link how you can apply for it. Also make sure to subscribe, and please let me know if you want any more videos like this. I'll happy to share the information with you.